Hello, I'm Adam. This is a channel where I talk about building muscle. So, in this video, I'm gonna share three different things that are hindering your progress, that are slowing your progress down. So, if you like this content, subscribe and like, so you can see more of this content. So, the first thing that are hindering your growth is actually not taking rest days. So why are rest days important? So I used to make this mistake, and surely you can still put on size, you can still grow, but if you take rest days and you train every other day instead of every day, it's going to make sure that you can recover between your workouts, and you're going to be able to put in a lot more effort into the workout, because if you took the last day off, if you recovered the last day, you can imagine how much more effort you can put into the next workout. So that is really beneficial to get the growth. And yeah, it's pretty obvious that if you get one day, if you get one day off, that you can push more the other day. And it can also be that if you train every other day and are not being able to recover, then you might even lose gains, and you might even slow down so much that you stop growing. So that is really important. And the next one is eating the protein enough that are required for you to grow. So and that goes to food in general, but if you're not eating enough protein, if you're not getting the food that you need, then you can't build the body up. It has to get the growth. It has to take from the food, from the protein, to build up stronger. Otherwise, you're just gonna continue to break down the muscles, and they're not gonna grow. So you want to make sure that you get 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilo body weight. So yeah, just make sure to eat the meat, the red meat, chicken, and eggs and fish. These types of sources. And we're really used to eating this type of food. So don't do the vegetarian diet. It's much harder to get the protein in and get good workouts and get the energy. So stick to the protein from the animals, from the animal protein. And the third thing that are hindering your growth is the fact that you're not training hard enough. So you have all heard the term training to failure, but are you truly training to failure? Are you training hard enough? So when you're really tired, and when you really don't want to do one more rep, or you're just quitting then, or you're doing one more, because those last repetitions are really beneficial to build muscle and to stimulate growth, because you're really pushing yourself, and your body has no other option than to to rebuild itself and to rebuild itself stronger. If you, of course, get the rest necessary and you get enough of protein. So that was the 3 things, and yeah, that was all for me today. Bye.